Here's how to install apps on your iPhone without the Apple ID password. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you want to be able to install and download apps, but maybe you forgot your Apple ID password and you don't necessarily want to use the Face ID, I'll show you the workaround. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first just head into your settings. And you need to scroll down, and what we're going to look for is screen time right under focus. Tap on that. Now, if screen time is not already turned on, just enable screen time. And towards the bottom here, let's tap on content and privacy restrictions. You want to make sure this is turned on. You might need to enter in the screen time passcode if there is one. After you do that, you're going to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases at the very top. Now on here, you can see require password. We're going to set it to don't require. Essentially, I don't need a password to be able to download and install apps. Now, the next thing we will do is we will go all the way back here and we're going to tap on Face ID and passcode. You're going to enter in the passcode for your phone here. And now you can see iTunes and App Store. Just toggle that off, essentially not requiring either a passcode or your Face ID to be able to download and install any apps on the App Store. Now, all you need to do is head into the App Store here and just navigate to a random app that you like, and you can just hit Get next to it. And the nice thing is you can just hit the install button at the very bottom. It won't ask you for the password and it won't ask you for the Face ID to be able to get that and install it onto your phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.